You're good. Okay, so if we look at number 1, okay, we don't have any negatives and we do not have any zeros. So there's nothing for us to do. This is our answer. Okay, you do not fully simplify that. Okay, if you look at number 2, we do have some negatives. So where does the 3 go? Top, a to the negative 2. Bottom, and we make it a positive. Okay, 5 is of the same fashion. So where's the 2 go? Top, a to the 3. Top, b to the 3. C to the negative 4. Bottom, and it becomes a positive. Real quick, so you guys, a ton of you got this wrong yesterday. So there is a difference between 6 and 7. Now, they both are multiplication rule, okay? But when there's no letters with it, we keep the base. We do not multiply the bases. So this one, it should be 4 to the what? To the 2. And we leave it just like that. Okay, whereas this one has letters and numbers. So you're going to multiply all the big pieces together. So what is 4 times 4 times, no, 4 times 2 times 3? 24. So you're going to get 24. And we say k plus, or k1. So 1 plus negative 1 plus 4. 4. Okay, some of you guys are doing this. What's wrong with this? Huh? There's no letter. That's not right. A bunch of you guys are doing it. A ton. Okay? There has to be a letter. I don't want to call anybody out, but Ian, you're doing that with no letter habitually. I know that for a fact. And there was about 2 of you other ones, okay? I graded your papers from yesterday, and I was noticing that this morning. Okay, this one, you're going to multiply the bigs. What are you going to get for the bigs? 16, and we're going to start adding up the littles. So you're going to get a to the, what is 2 plus negative 1? A to the, sorry, a to the 1, b to the negative 1 plus 3, 2, c to the 2 plus 3, 5. Does anything need moved? No, so we're done. Okay, 11. We're going to multiply the bigs. What bigs do we have? Just negative 4. Okay, there's really nothing to multiply it with. Okay, and then we have some x's. What is negative 2 plus 4? 2. And then we got a y to the 4 and nothing. So you're just going to write down y to the 4. What needs moved? Nothing needs moved. Okay, the only time we're going to move something is if we have a negative in the exponent. Okay, this 4 does not have a negative exponent, so we're not going to move it. Okay. The next one is the power rule. What do you do with the exponents for the power rule? Yeah, you're going to multiply them. So we're going to get 2 to the, what is negative 4 times 2? Negative 8. Do we need to move it? Yeah. So you get 2 to the 8th over 1. Do we need to simplify? No. Why not? There's no letters, so that's going to be our answer. We do not need to simplify. Okay, 15. My suggestion, as it always is to put a 1 right here. Okay, because then some of you guys forget to put that 3 with that 4. And you just write me down 4 V3, which is not correct. Okay? And there's really a 1 with this V too. Okay, so we're gonna get 4 to the, what is 1 times 3? 3. And then you got b to the 1 times 3? 3. Are we finished? No. What is 4 to the third? 64 v3. Okay, same thing. We can put a 1 with this 3. So you're definitely going to have a 3. 3 to the 1 times 2. 2. H to the 3 times 2. 6. K to the negative 4 times 2. Negative 8. Okay, now you can do this all in one step if you want to, or you can do it in 2 steps. Okay? The 3 squared, where is it going to go? Top or bottom? Top. And what is 3 squared? 9. And that's what I meant. You could write them all and put them in their spots and then do 3 squared, or you can do it all in one step. That's totally up to you. Okay, h to the 6, where does that go? Top. K to the negative 8. Bottom. Okay, 19. We can put 1s on all of these. Okay, anything that's missing 1 has a power of 1. Okay, so we get negative 2. What is 1 times 4? 4. M to the 1 times 4. It's going to be 4. N to the 1 times 4. It's going to be 4. Okay, is the negative 2 to the 4th top or bottom? It's to the top, okay? We're not going to move it. It doesn't have a negative exponent. However, what is it?
Negative 16.
Okay, some of you guys, depending on whether that has parentheses or not, some of you guys are going to get 16 on your calculator or negative 16. I will take either, okay? Because if you put parentheses on that, and we haven't really talked about what that does, but it either makes the 2 negative 4 times, or it'll make the first one negative and the rest positive, which is going to change your answer. So either one is totally fine. So you got negative 16, M2, N4. Or M4, N4. Okay, 21, what rule is that?
Division.
It's the division rule. Okay, so you could put a 1 right here, and what do you do with the exponents? We subtract them. So we're definitely going to have a 4, and 4 minus 1, 3. Do we simplify it? No. There's no letters, so we're going to leave it just the way it is. Okay, 23. We're going to keep our bigs where they're at, so 3 and 2. When we do the subtraction, do we do it on the top or bottom? On the top, always on the top. Okay, so you're going to get b to the, what is 3 minus 1? 2. Okay, and nothing needs moved, so we're going to leave it just like that. Okay, 25, we're going to leave the bigs where they're at. Okay, so first let's do the x's. Negative 4 minus what? 1. Good. Okay, what is negative 4 minus 1? Negative 3. Okay, then we have the y's. We got y to the 3 on top and nothing on the bottom. So what's it going to be?
3.
Yeah, it's still going to be 3. Z to the, we got 2 minus 4. negative 2. What needs moved? Okay, where's the 4 go? Top, x to the negative 3. Bottom. Y to the 3. Top. Z to the negative 2. Bottom. It becomes a positive. Okay, 25. There was one like this yesterday. It wasn't exactly, it was 4 over 2. But if you can simplify, you need to simplify. What is a negative over a negative? A positive, okay? And so really, these are going to cancel each other out. Yesterday's problem said 4 over 2. What is 4 over 2? 2, okay? I would say maybe 5 of you guys got that right. The rest of you guys, no bueno. Okay, so make sure that if you can simplify, simplify it. Okay, so we're going to have the 4 and the 3, and that cannot be simplified, so you're going to keep them where they're at. We got x to the, what is 4 minus 2? 2. Y to the 2 minus 3? Negative 1. Okay, so you need to move that negative 1 to the bottom. And it becomes a positive. Do you have to put the 1 on the y?
No.
No, can you?
Yes.
Absolutely.